Happy New Year, everybody. I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful ribeye steak, lobster tail, and great mashed potatoes coming up. Hey, everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get alerts on all the good stuff we do here, okay? Guys, we're making a reverse seared ribeye on the Weber Kettle using my brand new SlowNSear. All right, Adrenaline Barbecue sent it to me. So I've been messing around with it, trying to get used to how it works. But this is the first time I put it on film. This thing's awesome. It's gonna turn out some great steak. All right, I'm gonna take you out back, show you how I set it all up and how we got this thing down. All right. Then we're gonna do a little lobster tail and a little mashed potatoes. It's gonna be awesome. All right. So this is going to be the ultimate New Year's feast, okay? Normally I don't do a whole meal. I'll do like a protein or a side dish or a drink or whatever. But this time we're doing the protein, the side dish, and at the end we're gonna do a drink for you, all right?
All right, guys, we got these two beautiful 1-inch thick bone-in ribeyes. We're gonna get these ready for the Weber Kettle and my SlowNSear. We're seasoning them up with this It's Incredible by Heaven Made products. Make sure you get these patted in there, flip them over, make sure you season both sides, and then let it sit for an hour or so and just kind of let it come up to room temperature and get those flavors kind of buried into that meat. All right, let's go get it out on the grill. Before we do that, we're gonna prep these lobster tails and just a little bit of That's Incredible or It's Incredible on top. All right, guys, we're gonna get this SlowNSear set up. We have our igniter cube up there. I'm lighting it up with my torch. We have about 10 lumps of the Kingsford Blue. We're gonna put over that. Then we get ready for some gratuitous slow-mo smoking going right here. That's looking pretty good. All right, we get the rest of the coals in there. Had them in a chimney. Added a couple other live cubes in there. Only one chunk of hickory wood with these two steaks. We don't need much more wood on there. Adding our hot water to the trough. And then get that grate back on. We'll get the steaks back on. Ooh, look at that smoke. Looking good. We get those steaks on. Look at them bad boys. Got the probe in. We're gonna set the reminder to 125, and we'll get them ready to sear. All right, let's get back in that kitchen. All right, guys, we're back in the kitchen here. We got 3 large russet potatoes that I've peeled. Wasn't real diligent about getting all the skin off because a little skin ain't gonna hurt anybody. I've cubed these up to make them as uniform as possible so they cook as evenly as possible. We're gonna get them in some cold water, rinse them a couple times, and then we'll get them on the stove. Alright, so we've drained our potatoes. We added a cup of heavy cream. We're gonna add a stick of butter. We're gonna put a bunch of cracked black in there. And then we're gonna add about 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt from our Charlie Pug salt shaker. We're gonna mash that all down. Give it a try, see what we think about it. Look at that mashing skills right there. Alright, give that a bite. What do you think, CJ? I think we need another half stick of butter. And then we're gonna add a little bit more salt from Charlie Pug. All right. I think altogether was about probably a full tablespoon of salt. All right, it's perfect now.
All right, guys, we're gonna start reverse searing these steaks real quick. I'm gonna fire these coals up a little bit, get a little hotter over here. Spread out the coals so we have more room to work with. Get some heat. There we go. Get this going a little bit. I'm gonna put these over here. Just get them heated up a little bit more. And then we'll do one steak at a time on this side right here where all the fire's at. Good old Charlie's trying to... Where's my steak at? Where's my steak, buddy? Charlie. Charlie. I could have been a contender. Charlie. Where you at? Charlie. There you go. We're at 125. So let's start getting these seared up. All right. Yeah, buddy. Look at that sizzling. All right, we're gonna do the same thing to the other one, and we'll get you inside for the taste test. All right, guys, we're back. I showed you how we did this. I took you out back, showed you how we used that SlowNSear. We cooked it till it had about 125 temperature, indirect heat, and then we put it over the coals, seared that bad boy up right quick. So good, so right. The seasoning we used on this is heaven-made products. It's incredible. I put it on the steak, and I put it on a little bit on the lobster tail too. It's excellent. I recommend you get it. I'll put a link to the website below. It's awesome. All right. Well, there's nothing left to do but to tear into this thing. So I got my lobster here. I already cut it off the shell. I'm gonna put that over the side. I'm gonna cut up a little bite of the steak. Oh, perfectly medium rare. So good. I'm gonna get one more bite. That was too good. Really good.
I'm glad you're enjoying dinner. I'm so hungry back here.
You'll wait your turn.
Okay.
Let's try some of these potatoes.
The help gets to you last.
Yep, the help gets to you. Oh. Oh man, what a feast. Happy New Year to me. All right, we got some of this lobster tail. You know I'm gonna have some butter with it. Oh yeah. Merry New Year. This is the way to celebrate in style. All right, I promise you a drink, so I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna come back to this, don't worry. All right, since it's New Year's, got a champagne flute. We got an already opened bottle of almond sparkling wine. This ain't champagne. This is very, very tasty, very dry. All right, I've already opened it. It already made a mess, so I'm glad I didn't put that on camera. You know, I tried to do it slow, and it just kind of popped on me. It is what it is. All right, and then we got some Chambord here. It's a raspberry liqueur. Just about half a shot in there. So we got the raspberry and the almond champagne. It's excellent. So it's really easy to do. Stuff you can get at your local grocery store. As tasty as can be. All right, Mrs. CJ is gonna toast me. Say Happy New Year's and Happy New Year's to everybody else. Cheers. You'll drink it over there. Cheers, guys. I just would like to say thank you for all the love and support this year. Not only from all my viewers and my subscribers and all that in the YouTube Cooks community, but also from Mrs. CJ. She's been an integral part of making this work this year. Without her, it wouldn't be possible. So thank you. You're the best. Everybody loves you. You're great.
Thank you.
You're awesome. All right, guys. This will be the last video before New Year's, of course. But make this. Comment below. Tell me what you love about it. Comment below. Tell me what you're gonna do with this. Are you gonna do the same thing? Just have some fun with it. This is an excellent meal. I'm excited. I can't wait to eat it. I know everybody else is hungry too. So with that, Merry New Year, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.